Hey y'all, it's end of January already. Can't believe it. I'm not on camera. I'm not feeling good. Plus, my battery's dead on my phone, so hopefully, I don't have a coughing fit. It's funny. Last month, I told my wife I shouldn't have never said it. I said, "Man, I haven't been sick in years," because it was like December 2020 was the last time I was sick, and then I got sick on New Year's Eve this year, and now I'm feeling the same way again. So, I should have kept my mouth shut. So anyhow, let's do a quick breakdown of the week, and then we'll look at the how the overall month did, and then I want to address a comment. We're going to do it right now. I'm not going to address the comment fully in this video. I'm going to make another video as soon as I feel better. I might make it tomorrow if I feel better, but I wanted to address this comment right here, and it was from at retired DN or retired N. He asked, what are your plans going forward on how to retire and using options trading as your source of income? And good question. I'll try and address that soon. His follow-up was, have you looked into investing in some of the Roundhill funds, especially or specifically XDTE, very stable price action and nice income pair every week as part of your retirement income plan? My short answer is no, absolutely not. Why? S&P 500 in that same time period is up, what, 25, 30%? I get it. You're giving up capital gains for income. No, that's not me. Let these zero DTE covered call funds, all these funds coming out that are underperforming, let them marinate for years before we take a look at them, because most of them are probably going to fall away, to be honest with you. No, if I'll have to address this further, because I do have some plans. You see, this is a very multifaceted question here. What are your plans going forward? How to retire? Because I also have a wife. So using some of these types of funds, not necessarily these funds, in a plan for her, if I were to go away, and leave her with, everything, of course, I'm working on that. Okay. Now, if she were to precede me, I would basically keep going as I'm going. I consider myself retired as of right now. So I'll get into that in another video. So let's take a look real quick. What closed this week? I had 5 positions, actually 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 contracts close out, mostly on SOXL. There was a 24 put that expired worthless, profited 120. Another 24 put expired worthless, profit of 209. 2 covered calls that expired worthless, profit of 214. Dollar Tree expired worthless, profit of 115. And then another SOXL 25 put that was a short-term trade, expired for 119. Let's take a look at what we opened. It's a great week to open some trades, especially on Monday. And that's all I did was on Monday. I sold that 25 put that I also closed that expired worthless at the 25 strike. We'll take a look also at SOXL chart. Opened February 21st, 20 strike, got $124. And then all 4 of these are for March 21st. 2 18s, a 19 and a 20. The 20 got $155. The 19 got 127. The 18 got 102. And the other 18 got 144. So premium sold for the week was $652.60. Cancel that. $771.92. Let's take a look real quick. SOXL chart. Let's see if we can get this up here. Let's look at the chart of SOXL real quick. If you recall on my last video, I said 25 bucks was the short term. I actually said 30 was the extremely short term. You had to have some guts to go 30. I didn't, but I said the next level was 25, and here we are. It bounced below 25, but it reacted right there. You see all that right there? That 25 is real strong. So that's why I sold a couple of 25s. I sold 125 out to actually March 21st. I forgot about that one. That's actually, I think that was the 27th, maybe. No, that was the 24th. And got 125 bucks for it. I might sell another one. And then I did the 25 on Monday, when SOXL was trading at 25.80. Those usually bite me in the butt, but this time it worked out well. I normally don't do that, but 25 looks strong to me. If you want to be real safe, anything under 23, and that's why you see me doing 18, 19, and 20. So how did the month do? Well, let's look at premium cooking real quick. Right now, February, I'm really not worried about February or adding too much for February unless some opportunities come up that I like. But I got $2,051 cooking for the month of February, so I'm not worried about that. I am wanting to build out March, and right now we have $653.60. So I'll be looking for opportunities to fill up March here shortly. And how did January end up doing? Excellent. My best month since January of 2023. So we had $2,431.94 of realized option gains. Somebody asked me, are you beating the market? No, I am not beating the market. I don't try to beat the market. I try to get a decent return, as low volatility as I possibly can. I'm not a aggressive investor whatsoever. I sit on a lot of cash, and if I can eke out, 10 to 20% a year without being fully exposed to the market, bring it on. Bring it on. So great January. February is probably going to be over 2,000 as well. And I don't anticipate much happening. I might have some ownership in some Celsius shares. We'll see. I expect to bounce out of them, but we shall see. Everything else, not a big deal in my eyes. Everything else should expire. Foot Locker's kind of iffy at $19 strike. But other than that, I think we're okay. What else did we do? Here, I think I dripped about a share and something of UTF, and I dripped a few shares of RQI. That's the Infrastructure and Utility Closed-End Fund, and then the REIT Closed-End Fund. But I think that's about it. I'll probably be looking into getting out of XBIL. I might put it into something. I'm just not sure what. That'll get me a little bit better yield on cash. But that's it. So what did I say? We talked about the SOXL chart, what my plans are, and yeah, that's it. Great month. Was a great day to sell options on Monday, and maybe even Tuesday, but I didn't add anything. I just wanted to see the follow through. And yeah, things are looking good. So look out for that video that I'd said about my retirement plan. This right here, you'll see these little tabs here: rent, carry, solo income portfolio, and then this one says own home, carry, solo income portfolio. So if I were to kick the bucket, I'm working on plans for my wife to be able to, because she won't trade options. So I got to find good, solid funds for her to be in that'll generate enough income, at least replace some of my income. Because as it sits right now, one of us can quit and we'd be fine. But if one of us kicks the bucket, especially me, then she's going to have to do a lot more moving around of stuff, because she won't do options. But anyhow, I'll get into that in the other video. So anyhow, hope you guys have a good one. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.